I have a bunch of Funko dolls of all the characters.
All right, yeah.
But I was just wondering if maybe you could arrange them on my desk in a way that gives a few hints to everyone of how the rest of Stranger Things will go.
Yeah, put him there.
This is Steve.
Yeah, this is Steve. Oh,
He's fine. He's fine.
Nobody's promised tomorrow.
There it is. That's how Stranger Things ends. Thank you so much for being here.